Example 7. Let's get started. Let's see what this one's all about. Can we do the same thing as last time, like that one at top? So ID is equal to 1, or 1 is equal to 1. Error, integer required. Well, we did enter a integer, but it didn't work. Okay, maybe we could do, so that was the first one that we did. Let's try something like this, because when it comes to kind of URL encoding, we could do something like this to bypass that parameter. I want to see if this works. So go ahead, copy that and paste it in the URL. Okay, that didn't work. Try that. There we go. So if you paste that in, you can see the result right away that pops up. So I did enter a value, but you have to make sure that the value is 0, because then it's not going to loop through anything. It's not going to select any specific ID of a user. It's just going to show all the users. So that's why we added the value 0 at the end. So remove the 1 and add the 0, and there we go. We've bypassed that filtering because of this expression here.